Hi everybody, welcome to Casey's Fun Route. Today we're going to make a catapult. So we're going to need 6 rubber bands. And 8 lollipops sticks. Hold on, I'll make it now. So 5. Hello. Can you take these away, please? So some love heart candies and a spoon. So what do we need to do first?
Take 6 lolly sticks and stack them up together.
Stack them up together. Don't you need 3 stacks? Welcome to 6. Sure. Stack them up together. So what else do I need to do, Captain? I want it.
Get a rubber band
My things.
and tie one end together.
My thing.
And then do the same on the other end.
Thing. Oh no. Oh no. Too bad. I don't know how to tie them. Can you help me tie these up? I have no idea how to tie them. That's all I got.
When you're tying, you just pull, turn it around, pull again, turn it around.
Did you know, guys? This is my truck.
You only have to do one.
See?
You need to do multiple. Okay, and then turn
For the tour.
and pull it again.
Safety board. This is the do it as many times as I can.
Yeah. When it's already tight, then that's okay.
This is where it's on the game. So 1, 2. This is where the 3.
Can she do it?
3.
Can she do it?
Nope.
She did.
Nope.
Oh, sit loose. Okay, I'll help you again.
So what do I do? Do we tie these to the big stick?
Well, put them, stack them up
I guess.
on top of each other like this.
Good. I'm sorry to be a witch.
And you need to tie them up
Again.
on one end just. Here's
No.
here's the first one.
I only have 3. Okay, I will wear me. Did they step it to the D? To the bottom.
One more. You can do this.
Can't do this.
There.
It's a bit loose. Here you go. Where did the water be? Bill. I can do. Here's something. It's not working. Because I have got a big time to leave. Okay. It looks like then we tie the spoon on it.
Yeah.
Tie the spoon on it. Why do you copy everything outside? It's my job. Tie these two together. I'm not sure how to do it.
Okay, I'll tie them up again.
Here we go. It's done.
The challenge is you're gonna have to catapult some of those sweets into this bowl and see how many you can get inside the bowl. Here you go. Here's your bowl.
We'll put all the sweets in the bowl. We'll take one sweet out, put it on the spoon, and try and launch it in there.
Yes.
Help me. Birthday. Okay, I'll let it give it a test launch. I'm gonna start. I'll start.
How does it work though?
Press it down, and then it will launch up. Mommy,
Does it work though?
it goes with the
Yep.
Larry.
Almost! Let her give it a go.
Go! Go! That's a spy!
Let's see who's gonna score.
I'll try. No. Hey, let me do this. She won't let me do it.
Come on, let's see. your turn.
3, 2, 1, go! Go! Good try!
That's a good try. That's a good try. Almost. Whoa! That was so high! Awesome!
Oh, it's falling out. It's falling out. Okay.
Oh!
That
God.
was so big! Just flipping all these over. Can I eat? So I'm going to not. Can I eat it?
You can have one.
Well, I'll do one then. Got going. Don't buy it straight away.
Ooh, almost.
That doesn't count. That doesn't count.
Oh, well
You can also play
done.
this game using paper balls.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we're going to end this video now. I'm gonna let C just play. Okay. So.
Enjoy learning how to make.
Yay!
Well done.
I ruined this.
Good job. Well done. Whoa, really high. Okay, your turn again, C.
Go. Yeah! Yay! Too big, cause he can't do it.
Yay!
But my hand is okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot in this video. Mommy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.